5. Fly kill hacks go head to head. One is shockingly simple. Wait for hack number 5 to see which ruler reigns supreme. Hack 1. The dish soap jet. Mix water with 2 drops of dish soap in a spray bottle. Aim a precise stream at any resting fly surface. Tension breaks instantly, and flies are down for the count. Cleanup is as simple as a quick wipe. No fuss, no mess. Hack 2. Bug assault shotgun. Load table salt into your salt firing blaster and take aim. It shoots a burst of salt granules that strike flies on impact. No holes in walls, no chemicals. It's a shooter's thrill and a guaranteed kill, every time. 2 hacks down, 3 to go end. The next one just might be your favorite. Keep watching. Hack 3. Camphor tablet fumigation. Set 2 to 3 camphor tablets on a warm dish in a tray and leave in an enclosed porch corner. The strong camphor vapor suffocates and repels flies. No direct contact required. It's a silent set and forget solution. Hack 4. A CV funnel showdown. Test 3 DIY traps: mason jar, soda bottle, and cling wrap funnels, each baited with apple cider vinegar. Watch which design fills up fastest. All are easy and chemical free, but only one reigns champion. Ready for the ultimate. Hack number 5 uses a simple nightlight hand. It's oddly effective. Don't miss it. Hack 5. UV zap trap. Place a UV LED lamp inside a mesh enclosure with a white backing. In low light, flies are irresistibly drawn to the glow. Then meet the mesh grids up. It's safe, chemical-free, and incredibly satisfying to watch. Here's the ranking. Number 1, hack is the UV LED zap trap. Runner-up is bug assault, and honorable mention goes to the dish soap jet. Which hack will you deploy first? Comment below and subscribe for more Forge-approved DIY fixes.